Hello friends, today in this video I am going to talk about valuation of assets and liabilities, a very important chapter in auditing. So let us begin with the meaning. So what is valuation of assets? Valuation of assets means determining the fair value of assets shown in the balance sheet on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles. In short, valuation is the process of valuing a company's assets and liabilities for financial reporting purpose. So dear friends, valuation is a process of determining the current worth of something, determining the value of assets shown in the balance sheet, whether those assets and liabilities are according to the generally accepted accounting principles or not. Just imagine if valuation of asset is not correct. When it is not correct, when the accountant or when the company doesn't follow the rules and regulations, doesn't follow the generally accepted accounting principles, then those assets will not be correct. So if the valuation of asset is not correct, then the financial statement, that is balance sheet and profit and loss account, cannot be correct. So valuation is primary duty of company officials, and valuation is a part of verification, and without proper valuation of assets, verification is not possible. And the valuation of asset is very important to exhibit the financial position of the business in a good manner. So let's move on to the next concept, that is importance of valuation and verification. Dear friends, assets and liabilities are very important aspects of every business, and verification we have already discussed in the previous video. Verification means the inspection of assets appearing in the financial statements, whether the assets are according to the legislation or not. And we all know that the assets and liabilities which we are going to record in the balance sheet are to be we have to record those transactions according to the rules and regulations of legislation. If they are not correct, then that has to be brought to the notice of the management, and the balance sheet is prepared on the basis of the legislation, and an auditor should prove the true and fairness of information provided by the balance sheet. And valuation means the estimation of various assets and liabilities. So it is very important for an auditor to verify the financial statements and assets and liabilities of the organization. So the importance can be highlighted like this, guys. So the first point is to show the actual financial position. So to provide information about real financial position, verification and valuation of assets are essential. Liabilities are properly classified and disclosed in the balance sheet. So friends, the balance sheet is prepared to show the actual financial position of business, and confirmation about the existence of assets through physical verification, and it is common in every organization. If anyone wants to know the existence of assets, they have to verify the books of accounts, they have to conduct physical verification. If a proper valuation is not made, just imagine if a company or if an auditor does not do proper valuation, such balance sheet does not provide true and fair information. So to provide information about the real financial position, verification and valuation of assets are essential, and liabilities are properly classified and disclosed in the balance sheet. And the second point is to know the real position of profit and loss. So to calculate the actual amount of profit and loss, proper valuation of assets and liabilities is necessary. And profit and loss is a major part of every organization. So to calculate proper profit and loss amount, we need valuation and verification of assets and liabilities. Say for example, depreciation and other expenses on assets will be incorrect if proper valuation of asset is not made, and legal and official documents relating to assets, whatever the assets we record in the balance sheet, and documents relating to such assets are checked to confirm the ownership of assets. So to calculate the actual amount of profit and loss, proper valuation of assets and liabilities is necessary. And the next point is to increase goodwill. Proper valuation gives fair information about profitability and financial position of the business. So dear friends, it is confirmed that assets are free from any charge or lien, so people can get information which creates a positive attitude towards the company. A positive attitude of the public increases goodwill. The next point is to assure shareholder. Valuation and verification provide actual information about assets and liabilities to the shareholders. Yes, friends, valuation and verification provide actual information about the assets and liabilities to the shareholders, which assure the safety of their investment, to confirm that the assets are properly accounted for in the books of accounts. The last point is easy to get loan. Verification and valuation helps to get loan from financial institution. So the company discloses the balance sheet proved by an auditor for public knowledge, which increases the trust of the company. So the financial institutes provide loan easily to such companies. So confirmation from financial institutions about loan and interest. So friends, these are the importance of verification and valuation of assets and liabilities. Hope you guys can understand this concept. Thank you.